Hey there, and welcome to our video on how to lose weight fast without giving up your diet. If you're someone who loves food and finds it hard to stick to a restrictive diet, then you're in the right place. We know how frustrating it can be to go on fad diets that promise quick results, only to find yourself feeling hungry and unsatisfied. But here's the good news. You can lose weight without giving up your favorite foods. The key is to make sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle that you can stick to in the long run. So, let's dive into some tips and tricks that can help you lose weight fast. Increase your water intake. One of the simplest and most effective ways to lose weight is to increase your water intake. Not only does drinking water help to flush out toxins from your body, but it can also help you feel fuller for longer. Reducing your overall calorie intake. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and try to replace sugary drinks with water whenever possible. Cut down on processed foods. Processed foods are often high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sugar, making them a major culprit when it comes to weight gain. By cutting down on processed foods and opting for whole, nutrient-dense foods instead, you can reduce your calorie intake and improve your overall health. Focus on incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your diet. Practice mindful eating. Mindful eating involves paying attention to your food and eating habits, and being present in the moment while you eat. By slowing down and taking the time to savor your meals, you can reduce overeating and make healthier choices. Try to eliminate distractions while you eat, like watching TV or scrolling through your phone, and focus on enjoying your food. Incorporate exercise into your routine. While diet is an important factor in weight loss, exercise can also play a crucial role in helping you shed those extra pounds. Aim to incorporate at least 30 minutes of exercise into your daily routine. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga class, or a weightlifting session at the gym. Not only will exercise help you burn calories, but it can also boost your mood and improve your overall health. And there you have it, some simple tips and tricks that can help you lose weight fast without giving up your diet. Remember, sustainable changes are key when it comes to weight loss. So don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up every now and then. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine and making small, gradual changes to your diet and lifestyle. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and enjoyable. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and we'll do our best to respond to each and every one of them. Also, feel free to share this video with your friends and family. Your support means everything to us, and it helps us grow and create even better content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.